Each of Emma's staff is very responsible, and the plank is cut from a large piece of wood to make the structure of the product stronger. Emma's staff drilled every hole carefully. Attention to detail is our service attitude. We believe that the quality will win the recognition of customers. Strictly control the circulation field, all links and processes, ensure quality and quantity, and deliver the products to you on time. We hope to develop together with our customers and achieve a win-win situation. The recognition of customers is the driving force for us to move forward. We will go with our customers in 2021. Thank you for watching.